All right, so the very first thing I am doing is I am removing a lot of the bulk on the sides and back on my model. I've got the shortest guard that you can possibly put on my clippers, and I'm just going through, and you can see I'm kind of scooping out. As I work my way up the head, I scoop out. That just makes the transition easier when I go to blend the upper half of the sides and back with the lower half of the sides and back with the top. So, I'm gonna work my way around the head. You can see I started on the right side, now I'm working my way to the left side. Once we get most of this bulk removed, then we will continue on with edging up, cleaning up the outline with the trimmers, and then incorporating the top of the haircut. Alright, so now you can see I've got my trimmers in my hand, and what I'm doing is I'm working my way around the entire outline. So there at the front outline that goes on the face, to the sideburn, now to around the ear, back of the neck, and all the way around the head. So I'm just taking that hair on the outline super short, cleaning it up so we have a nice clean outline throughout the entire haircut. So now you can see I've got my clippers back in my hand, not the trimmers anymore, and I'm just going through and softening up that outline that I just cleaned up with the trimmers. So the trimmers are going to make a harder line. It's going to clean it up nice and tight, but I just want to go through and kind of flick out that outline just to soften it up a bit. And so I will then go through and use my clippers, because it does leave the hair a little bit longer than the trimmers, and that's how you fade from the neck to the hairline up to the actual haircut. So going through right now and kind of fading out, softening up the outline for the sides and back. Alright, so now that the sides and back are done, it is time to cut the top. So you can see I'm taking a center section, combing the hair straight up, and cutting a nice square shape up on top. I'm going to cut all of the top basically the same length that I just cut that first section. That first section is my guide for the rest of the top. And once we've completed cutting the top, we'll pretty much be done with the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.